Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the fabulous fashion choices of the stunning and stylish Sonali Raut. From her glamour appearances to her everyday looks, Sonali has always managed to turn heads with her impeccable style. So, let's dive into her fashion journey. Sonali Raut first gained recognition as a contestant on the reality show Bigg Boss in 2014. Her appearance on the show helped her establish her presence in the entertainment industry. Since then, she has worked on several projects, both on the big screen and in the modeling world. As a model, she has graced the covers of various magazines and has been featured in numerous fashion editorials. Her photo shoots often highlight her stunning features, including her expressive eyes, flawless complexion, and a svelte figure. She has worked with renowned photographers and fashion brands, showcasing her versatility and ability to adapt to different styles and concepts. In her acting career, the actress has appeared in several Bollywood films. She made her debut in the film industry with the movie, The Expose, in 2014, where she shared the screen with actors like Himesh Reshammiya and Yo-Yo Honey Singh. She has also appeared in films like Great Brand Masti and Adrishya, showcasing her acting skills. Sonali Raut's combination of beauty and dedication has helped her carve a niche for herself in the industry. She continues to be admired by fans for her striking appearance and versatile performances. Here we are at a breathtaking beach location, where Sonali is all set to captivate us with her striking presence. The sun-kissed sand and crystal clear water create the perfect backdrop for this exclusive photo shoot. The actress, known for her grace and charm, is a perfect choice for this beach-themed photo shoot. She exudes confidence and radiates elegance with every move she makes. Throughout this photo shoot, we witnessed Sonali's grace and elegance as she effortlessly posed in various bikinis, each accentuating her natural beauty. Her confidence and charisma shone through, inspiring us all to embrace our own unique beauty. But it's not just about Sonali's individual brilliance. Behind every successful photo shoot is a team of experts who work tirelessly to bring the vision to life. The photographer, stylist, and makeup artist poured their creativity and expertise into every detail, ensuring that each shot was perfect. This photo shoot serves as a reminder that beauty knows no boundaries. It's about embracing who we are, loving ourselves, and celebrating our bodies. Sonali's journey empowers us to feel confident in our own skin, reminding us that beauty comes in all shapes, sizes, and backgrounds. The actress' dedication and professionalism were evident in every pose, showcasing her ability to command the camera effortlessly. Her collaboration with the creative team resulted in breathtaking images that capture the essence of her magnetic charm. It's important to recognize that photo shoots like these are not just about showcasing physical beauty. They are a celebration of self-expression, empowerment, and embracing one's individuality. Sonali's journey serves as an inspiration for all of us to embrace our true selves and radiate confidence. In a world that often imposes narrow standards of beauty, it's crucial to remember that beauty is diverse and multifaceted. Every individual possesses their own unique allure, and it's through embracing our differences that we create a more inclusive and accepting society. We find ourselves at a luxurious poolside location. The vibrant colors and exquisite setting add a touch of glamour to Sonali's captivating presence. The actress, renowned for her grace and charm, is the perfect choice for this beach-themed photo shoot. As she gets ready, anticipation fills the air. Let's hear from Sonali herself about her thoughts on this shoot. The photographer skillfully guides Sonali, capturing her beauty and essence in every frame. Each pose tells a story, as Sonali effortlessly moves between elegance and confidence. It's fascinating to see the collaborative process unfold. The actress stands near the water's edge, her long, flowing hair gently tousled by the sea breeze. She wears an elegant white swimsuit that accentuates her stunning figure. The outfit perfectly complements the natural beauty of the beach, exuding a sense of serenity and elegance. As the photographer captures her every move, she confidently walks along the shoreline, leaving delicate footprints in the sand. She playfully splashes water, creating a subtle mist that catches the sunlight and adds a touch of magic to the images. Sonali's radiant smile lights up the surroundings, radiating joy and happiness. The photographer expertly captures her expressions, from carefree laughter to moments of quiet contemplation. The vibrant colors of the ocean and the surrounding landscape provide a picturesque backdrop, enhancing the overall beauty of the photos. With each click of the camera, the actress effortlessly transforms into a vision of grace and charm. Her confidence and poise shine through in every shot, capturing the essence of her natural beauty and charisma. The beach photo shoot becomes a celebration of both Sonali's individuality and the enchanting coastal environment. As the photo shoot progresses, the actress explores different areas of the beach, each offering a unique ambience. She finds a secluded spot under the shade of a palm tree, where the golden sunlight filters through the leaves, creating a gentle dappled effect. Leaning against the tree, she strikes a pose that embodies both tranquility and allure, her eyes filled with a captivating sense of mystery. Moving further along the coastline, the photographer suggests capturing some shots of Sonali in the water. Sonali wades into the ocean, the cool waves lapping at her feet. The water glistens around her as she confidently emerges from the sea, droplets cascading down her sun-kissed skin. The juxtaposition of her ethereal presence against the raw power of the ocean creates a breathtaking contrast. As the day progresses, the soft hues of sunset paint the sky, casting a warm and romantic glow over the beach. Sonali dons a flowing, vibrant colored dress that dances with the wind, emphasizing her graceful movements. Against the backdrop of the setting sun, she becomes a vision of elegance and allure, radiating a captivating charm. The photographer skillfully captures each moment, immortalizing the beauty of Sonali Raut in this stunning beach photoshoot. From the serene moments of contemplation to the dynamic shots filled with energy and vitality, the collection of photographs reflects the actress' versatility as a model and her ability to captivate audiences with her natural charisma. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm golden hue across the beach, Sonali and the photographer decide to capture the magical moments of twilight. They find a spot where the sky meets the sea, creating a breathtaking panorama of colors. SHR stands barefoot in the sand, wearing an elegant evening gown that billows gently in the breeze. The photographer takes advantage of the soft, diffuse light as Sonali strikes poses that exude elegance and grace. With the crashing waves as a symphony in the background, Sonali's silhouette against the backdrop of the sunset becomes an artistic masterpiece. The actress then moves closer to the water, allowing the gentle waves to wash over her feet. The photographer captures the ethereal glow of the setting sun as it reflects off the water, creating a dreamlike ambience. Sonali's radiant smile and captivating presence become even more captivating as she embraces the serenity of the moment. The photographer suggests a final shot under the starry sky. She changes into a shimmering outfit that sparkles like the night sky itself. Positioned on a rocky outcrop overlooking the beach, Sonali poses against a backdrop of twinkling stars, her beauty rivaling the luminosity of the heavens above. The photographer skillfully captures the interplay of light and darkness, showcasing Sonali's allure in the moonlight. The final shots of the beach photoshoot become a testament to Sonali's timeless beauty and the enchantment of the natural world. As the photoshoot concludes, the actress expresses her gratitude to the entire team for capturing such extraordinary moments. The beach photoshoot has not only resulted in a stunning collection of images but has also allowed Sonali to connect with the awe-inspiring beauty of nature in a profound way. The photos from the Sonali Raut beach photoshoot eventually grace the pages of fashion magazines and online platforms, captivating viewers with their ethereal charm. The actress' ability to effortlessly merge with the beach's natural splendor and radiate her own unique charisma solidifies her position as a sought-after model and a symbol of beauty and grace. The actress changes into a flowing, ethereal gown that shimmers with every movement. The dress, adorned with delicate sequins and sheer fabric, catches the fading light and creates a mesmerizing effect. Her hair is styled in loose waves that cascade down her back, framing her radiant face. The photographer positions Sonali on a large piece of driftwood that has washed ashore, surrounded by seashells and soft sand. As the soft glow of the setting sun bathes the scene, Sonali emanates a captivating blend of grace and sensuality. With the sound of crashing waves in the background, Sonali strikes a series of elegant poses. She effortlessly moves from subtle and contemplative to playful and carefree, expressing a range of emotions that come naturally to her. The photographer captures each moment with precision, ensuring that the camera immortalizes Sonali's beauty and charisma. As the light transforms from warm oranges to soft pinks and purples, the enchanting ambience amplifies the allure of the photoshoot. The actress then decides to venture closer to the water, feeling the gentle tickle of the foam against her bare feet. With the ocean as her backdrop, she playfully splashes water, creating a delicate mist that catches the last rays of the sun. The resulting images exude a dreamlike quality, showcasing Sonali's radiant spirit. As twilight turns into night, Sonali and the photographer continue the photoshoot under the soft glow of the moon. She changes into a sleek and glamorous evening gown, its shimmering fabric reflecting the moonlight. The dark sky provides a stunning contrast, accentuating her elegance and sophistication. Against the backdrop of the moonlit beach, Sonali strikes powerful and dynamic poses. The photographer skillfully captures the interplay of light and shadow, enhancing the actress' natural beauty and creating a sense of drama. Each frame tells a story, evoking a range of emotions that resonate with viewer. Sonali and the photographer decide to explore different elements of the beach, capturing a variety of moods and styles. They move to a rocky outcrop overlooking the ocean, where crashing waves provide a dramatic backdrop. She embraces her adventurous side, climbing the rocks with ease and confidence. Her vibrant swimsuit accentuates her toned physique, and her infectious smile radiates joy and vitality. The photographer captures her in moments of sheer exhilaration, freezing her infectious energy in each shot. The beach provides endless possibilities for unique shots. The actress poses against weathered wooden docks, exuding a sense of rustic charm. She reclines on a hammock strung between two palm trees, basking in the tropical ambience. The photographer expertly captures her beauty and the essence of the beach in every frame. As the day nears its end, the setting sun casts a warm, golden glow across the beach. She takes advantage of this magical lighting, twirling and dancing in the sand. Her dress, a flowing and vibrant creation, flutters with every movement, creating a sense of ethereal beauty. The photographer captures the essence of the moment, freezing Sonali's graceful movements against the backdrop of the glowing horizon. Silhouetted against the fading sunlight, she becomes a figure of elegance and allure, embodying the spirit of the beach. As the photoshoot reaches its conclusion, the actress expresses her gratitude to the entire team for their hard work and creativity. The beach photoshoot has not only captured her stunning beauty but also showcased her versatility as a model, from playful and carefree to sensual and glamorous. The photographs from the Sonali Raut beach photoshoot find their way into fashion magazines and online publications, captivating audiences worldwide. Viewers are transported to the beach, where Sonali's radiant presence and the breathtaking scenery merge into a visual feast. The actress changes into a flowing, ethereal gown that shimmers like moonlight itself. The dress drapes gracefully over her curves, accentuating her statuesque figure. Her hair is styled in loose waves, cascading down her back like a waterfall of silk. The photographer skillfully positions Sonali against a backdrop of gently crashing waves and the vibrant colors of the sky. With each click of the camera, they capture the essence of tranquility and enchantment that surrounds her. She moves gracefully along the water's edge, her bare feet sinking into the soft sand. The gentle breeze plays with her dress, creating a sense of movement and elegance. The fading light casts a warm glow on her face, highlighting her delicate features and captivating smile. As the twilight deepens, the photographer suggests capturing a few shots in silhouette. The actress stands on a sand dune, her silhouette defined against the backdrop of the fiery orange and pink sky. The simplicity of the image brings forth a sense of timeless beauty and introspection. As the night sky emerges, dotted with countless stars, Sonali and the photographer decide to embrace the ethereal beauty of the beach under moonlight. She changes into a gown adorned with intricate lace and delicate beadwork, reflecting the moon's soft glow. With the moon as their guide, Sonali and the photographer venture deeper into the beach, where the waves gently lap against the shore. Sonali's movements become ethereal and dreamlike as she dances along the water's edge, her dress floating around her like a celestial cloud. The photographer captures the magic of the moment, freezing Sonali's graceful poses against the backdrop of the moonlit ocean. The photos exude a sense of enchantment and evoke a feeling of being transported to a world where dreams come true. As the photoshoot comes to a close, Sonali reflects on the experience, grateful for the opportunity to connect with the natural beauty of the beach and express her artistry as a model. The beach photoshoot has not only captured her radiant beauty but has also captured the essence of the beach's allure and the mystique of the night. The photographs from the Sonali Raut beach photoshoot find their way into prestigious magazines and online platforms, captivating audiences around the world. The actress' captivating presence, combined with the mesmerizing backdrop of the beach, creates a visual spectacle that leaves a lasting impression. In her photoshoots, the actress exudes grace and confidence, capturing the attention of her fans and admirers. Whether it's a fashion shoot or a glamorous editorial, she brings her unique charm and elegance to every frame. Her photoshoots often feature Sonali in stunning outfits, ranging from traditional Indian attire to contemporary Western fashion. She effortlessly carries off different styles, making a strong fashion statement with her impeccable sense of style. Sonali Raut's photoshoots are often characterized by striking poses, expressive eyes, and a radiant smile. With her charismatic presence, she captivates the camera and leaves a lasting impression on viewer. The actress, known for her impeccable sense of style, continues to dazzle with her fashion choices beyond the beach photoshoot. Whether she's attending red carpet events, fashion shows, or casual outings, Sonali effortlessly showcases her versatility and flair for fashion. At red carpet events, Sonali exudes elegance and glamour in stunning evening gowns. She turns heads in form-fitting silhouettes that accentuate her curves, adorned with intricate beadwork, sequins, or lace. From classic black to vibrant jewel tones, Sonali effortlessly carries herself with grace, commanding attention with her sophisticated fashion choices. When it comes to fashion shows, the actress' ability to experiment with unique and edgy styles shines through. She effortlessly pulls off avant-garde designs, showcasing her fearless approach to fashion. Whether it's bold prints, unconventional cuts, or statement accessories, she embraces the opportunity to push boundaries and make a lasting impression on the runway. For more casual outings, Sonali effortlessly channels her sense of fashion into chic and stylish ensembles. She embraces a mix of high-end fashion and trendy streetwear, creating effortlessly cool looks. From tailored blazers paired with denim to flowy bohemian dresses adorned with statement belts and accessories, Sonali's fashion choices reflect her individuality and ability to embrace various styles. The actress' fashion choices are not limited to specific trends or designers. She has a keen eye for blending different aesthetics and effortlessly combining pieces from both established and emerging designers. Sonali's ability to curate her wardrobe with a mix of classic elegance and contemporary trends showcases her fashion-forward mindset and personal style evolution. In addition to her impeccable fashion choices, Sonali also uses her platform to promote sustainable fashion and eco-friendly brands. She believes in making conscious fashion choices and supports designers and brands that prioritize ethical and sustainable practices. During casual outings, she embraces a range of chic and effortless looks. She effortlessly rocks casual yet stylish ensembles, combining comfortable basics with trendy accessories. Whether it's a well-tailored blazer paired with jeans and sneakers or a flowy bohemian dress accessorized with statement jewelry, Sonali's fashion choices exude confidence and a laid-back charm. She also champions the cause of sustainable fashion and ethical practices. She actively supports and promotes eco-friendly brands that prioritize fair trade, organic materials, and responsible production processes. The actress' commitment to sustainability extends to her own fashion choices, as she frequently incorporates eco-conscious pieces into her wardrobe. Sonali's fashion choices are a reflection of her evolving personal style and creative spirit. She fearlessly explores different aesthetics, embracing both timeless classics and cutting-edge trends. From elegant and refined to edgy and avant-garde, Sonali's fashion choices demonstrate her versatility and ability to adapt to any occasion. She showcases her ability to seamlessly merge classic elegance with contemporary trends, always leaving a lasting impression. During fashion weeks, she is a constant source of inspiration for fashion enthusiasts. She fearlessly experiments with bold patterns, vibrant colors, and unconventional silhouettes, effortlessly pulling off avant-garde and eclectic looks. From pairing unexpected textures and layering different fabrics to accessorizing with statement pieces, the actress pushes the boundaries of conventional fashion, setting trends that others can't help but follow. In her day-to-day style, she embraces a mix of effortlessly chic ensembles and casual yet trendy outfits. She effortlessly combines basics with unique accessories, adding her own flair to each look. Whether it's a tailored blazer paired with distressed jeans and ankle boots or a flowy maxi dress layered with a denim jacket and accessorized with a wide-brimmed hat, Sonali's fashion choices reflect her individuality and playfulness. She also prioritizes sustainability in her fashion choices, advocating for ethical and eco-friendly brands. She actively supports and promotes conscious fashion, opting for pieces made from organic materials, recycled fabrics, and supporting fair trade practices. Her dedication to environmentally conscious fashion serves as an inspiration to others, encouraging them to make mindful choices in their own wardrobes. Sonali's fashion choices go beyond the realm of clothing. She pays meticulous attention to detail, carefully selecting accessories and makeup that complement her outfits. From statement jewelry and elegant handbags to perfectly coordinated footwear, the actress understands that the right accessories can elevate any look. She uses her platform to share her personal style journey, offering tips and insights to her followers. She believes in the power of fashion as a form of self-expression and encourages others to embrace their individuality and experiment with their own unique style. Sonali also uses her platform to promote inclusivity and diversity in the fashion industry. She embraces and celebrates designers from different cultural backgrounds, showcasing their creations and bringing attention to their unique perspectives. The actress believes in the power of fashion to break barriers and redefine beauty standards, inspiring others to embrace their individuality and express themselves through their personal style. With her keen eye for fashion, Sonali pays meticulous attention to detail. She expertly accessorizes her outfits, whether it's with statement jewelry, bold handbags, or unique footwear choices. Her makeup and hairstyles are carefully curated to complement her looks, further enhancing her overall fashion statement. Beyond her fashion choices, Sonali uses her influence to support charitable causes. She collaborates with designers and brands that give back to the community, using fashion as a means to create positive change. Sonali's commitment to social responsibility adds another layer of depth and meaning to her fashion journey. At fashion events and shows, Sonali becomes a fashion muse, attracting the attention of designers and fashion enthusiasts alike. She fearlessly experiments with the latest trends and brings her own creative twist to each look. From avant-garde designs and unconventional silhouettes to bold prints and unexpected color combinations, the actress' fashion choices reflect her fearless and experimental approach to style. Sonali's attention to detail extends beyond clothing. She understands the importance of accessorizing to complete a look and frequently incorporates statement jewelry, fashionable handbags, and stylish footwear into her ensembles. Her ability to select the perfect accessories elevates her fashion choices and adds a touch of personal flair. Moreover, Sonali's commitment to sustainable fashion remains at the forefront of her style journey. She actively supports and collaborates with eco-friendly and ethical fashion brands that prioritize sustainability and responsible production practices. From incorporating organic and recycled fabrics into her outfits to promoting conscious consumerism, SHR uses her platform to inspire others to make environmentally conscious fashion choices. In addition to her fashion sense, Sonali also uses her influence to advocate for inclusivity and diversity within the fashion industry. She embraces and promotes designers from diverse backgrounds, encouraging the celebration of different cultures and perspectives in fashion. The actress believes that fashion should be a platform for self-expression and empowerment, where everyone feels represented and included. Sonali Roth's fashion choices continue to evolve, reflecting her ever-evolving personal style and her passion for embracing new trends and fashion possibilities. Her fearless and confident approach to fashion inspires others to embrace their individuality and experiment with their own unique style. The actress' makeup choices are just as stunning and versatile as her fashion sense. She has a knack for accentuating her natural features and creating looks that range from glamorous and bold to fresh and radiant. With the help of talented makeup artists, Sonali's beauty looks always enhance her overall style and leave a lasting impression. For red carpet events and glamorous appearances, she often opts for a flawless and luminous complexion as the base of her makeup. She pays attention to skincare, ensuring her skin is well prepped and hydrated before applying makeup. The actress prefers a medium coverage foundation that evens out her skin tone while still allowing her natural beauty to shine through. She then adds subtle contouring to define her features and a touch of bronzer to warm up her complexion. Sonali's eye makeup choices are versatile and always on trend. She loves experimenting with various eyeshadow colors and textures, depending on the occasion. For a classic red carpet look, she might opt for a smoky eye, using a combination of earthy tones and shimmering metallics to create depth and dimension. She balances this with well-defined brows, framing her eyes beautifully. When it comes to her lips, Sonali knows how to make a statement. She embraces both bold and neutral shades, depending on her outfit and the desired overall look. For a glamorous red carpet appearance, she might choose a vibrant red or deep berry lipstick to create a bold and captivating pout. On the other hand, for a more natural and fresh look, she may opt for nude or soft pink shades that enhance her lips' natural beauty. The actress understands the importance of well-groomed brows, and she ensures they are always perfectly shaped and defined. She uses a combination of brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas and create a polished and symmetrical shape. Her brows are typically kept natural-looking yet well-defined, framing her face and adding a touch of elegance to her makeup looks. Completing her makeup looks, she pays attention to her lashes and chooses mascara that adds volume, length, and drama. She loves fluttery and voluminous lashes that open up her eyes and create a mesmerizing gaze. She may also opt for false lashes for special occasions, adding extra glamour to her overall look. Sonali's makeup choices are always well-balanced and complementary to her fashion choices. She understands the importance of enhancing her features while maintaining a sense of authenticity and natural beauty. Her makeup looks are a testament to her versatility and her ability to adapt to different styles and moods. Sonali Roth's hairstyle choices are as diverse and stunning as her fashion and makeup choices. She effortlessly experiments with different haircuts, colors, and styles, showcasing her versatility and ability to rock any look with confidence. The actress often opts for elegant and sophisticated hairstyles that complement her overall look. She may choose to wear her luscious locks in voluminous Hollywood waves, cascading effortlessly over her shoulders, adding a touch of old Hollywood glamour to her ensemble. Alternatively, she might opt for a sleek and chic updo, showcasing her flawless facial features and allowing her glamorous outfit and accessories to take center stage. During more casual outings or fashion events, Sonali embraces various hairstyles that reflect her free-spirited and playful personality. She may opt for loose and beachy waves, giving off a carefree and effortlessly chic vibe. This hairstyle perfectly complements her casual yet fashionable outfits, adding a touch of relaxed sophistication to her overall look. Sonali is not afraid to experiment with different hair lengths and textures. She may choose to rock a chic bob, exuding confidence and modernity. Alternatively, she might embrace long, flowing locks, allowing her hair to beautifully frame her face and enhance her overall beauty. When it comes to color, Sonali is adventurous and open to change. She has been known to experiment with various shades, ranging from rich brunette to sun-kissed highlights and even bold and vibrant hues. Sonali's hair color choices often depend on the overall look she wants to achieve and the current trends she is inspired by. Sonali also understands the importance of maintaining healthy and well-nourished hair. She takes great care of her tresses, ensuring they are well-conditioned, hydrated, and protected from heat and styling damage. Regular trims and deep conditioning treatments help her maintain strong and vibrant hair that looks stunning in any style. In addition to her hairstyling choices, she is often seen accessorizing her hair to add an extra touch of glamour and uniqueness to her looks. From sparkling hairpins and embellished headbands to delicate floral crowns and statement hairpieces, she knows how to accessorize her hair to elevate her overall style. Sonali Raut's hairstyle choices are a testament to her versatility, creativity, and confidence. With each appearance, she effortlessly showcases her ability to adapt to different styles and create stunning looks that complement her fashion choices and enhance her natural beauty. The actress' fashion choices are often elevated by her impeccable selection of accessories. She understands that the right accessories can transform an outfit, adding an extra layer of style and personality to her overall look. She effortlessly incorporates a variety of accessories into her ensembles, showcasing her keen eye for detail and her ability to curate cohesive and eye-catching looks. When it comes to jewelry, Sonali embraces a range of styles, from delicate and understated pieces to bold and statement-making designs. She understands the power of a well-placed necklace, earrings, or bracelet to elevate her looks. For a classic and elegant touch, she may opt for dainty gold or silver jewelry, adding a subtle sparkle and enhancing her natural beauty. On the other hand, when she wants to make a statement, Sonali is not afraid to wear bold, chunky pieces that serve as the focal point of her outfit. Handbags are another essential accessory in Sonali's fashion arsenal. She understands the importance of a well-designed and practical bag that complements her outfit while carrying her essentials. From sleek and structured leather handbags to chic and trendy crossbody bags, she selects bags that not only serve a functional purpose but also enhance her overall style. She often chooses handbags in versatile neutral colors, allowing them to seamlessly blend with a range of outfits. Sonali's footwear choices are equally as important in completing her looks. She pays attention to both style and comfort, ensuring that her shoes not only elevate her outfit but also provide support throughout her busy schedule. From classic pumps and strappy sandals to trendy sneakers and ankle boots, the actress' footwear choices reflect her versatility and adaptability to different occasions and fashion trends. She understands that the right pair of shoes can effortlessly tie her entire look together. In addition to jewelry, handbags, and shoes, Sonali often incorporates other accessories to enhance her outfits. She understands the power of a well-placed belt to cinch a dress or define her waist, adding a touch of structure and sophistication. She also knows how to use scarves and hats to add a pop of color or a playful element to her looks, especially during the cooler seasons. One of Sonali's signature accessories is her collection of statement sunglasses. She understands the power of a stylish pair of shades to not only protect her eyes but also add a touch of glamour and sophistication to her outfits. From oversized frames in bold colors to classic aviators and trendy cat-eye shapes, Sonali's sunglasses collection is diverse and reflects her ever-evolving style. Another accessory that Sonali embraces is the power of a well-placed scarf. She knows that a vibrant or patterned scarf can instantly elevate a simple outfit, adding a pop of color and creating visual interest. Whether she wears it around her neck, tied in her hair, or as a stylish belt, the actress' scarves serve as versatile accessories that showcase her creativity and attention to detail. Belts are also an important accessory in Sonali's wardrobe. She understands their ability to define the waist and create a polished and put-together look. She selects belts in various widths, materials, and styles, ensuring they perfectly complement her outfits. Whether she chooses a sleek leather belt to cinch a flowy dress or a wide statement belt to add structure to a tailored suit, Sonali's belt choices always enhance her overall style. When it comes to hats, she knows how to use them to make a fashion statement. She embraces different styles, from wide-brimmed hats that exude a sense of elegance and mystery to trendy bucket hats that add a playful and casual touch to her looks. Sonali understands that hats not only protect her from the sun but also serve as stylish accessories that can tie an outfit together. Sonali's accessory choices are not limited to jewelry and fashion pieces. She often carries a selection of stylish phone cases, ensuring her smartphone is both protected and fashionable. Whether she opts for a sleek and minimalistic case or bold and vibrant design, the actress' phone cases reflect her personal style and attention to detail in every aspect of her life. Overall, Sonali Raut's accessory choices demonstrate her ability to curate well-rounded and stylish looks. From statement sunglasses and scarves to belts, hats, and even phone cases, Sonali understands the power of accessories in enhancing her outfits and expressing her unique sense of style. The actress' accessories are carefully curated to complement and enhance her fashion choices. She understands that the right accessories can elevate a simple outfit to a whole new level, showcasing her attention to detail and her ability to create well-rounded and stylish ensembles. When it comes to color choices, while she appreciates the timeless beauty of black, she also explores a wide range of hues to complement her complexion and make a statement. From vibrant jewel tones like emerald green and sapphire blue to soft pastels and even bold prints, Sonali's color choices reflect her versatility and willingness to embrace new trends. The actress' fashion choices extend beyond dresses. She also explores stylish pantsuits and jumpsuits for a contemporary and fashion-forward look. Whether it's a tailored tuxedo suit or a sleek jumpsuit with a plunging neckline, she knows how to rock these ensembles with confidence and grace. The actress' ability to blend feminine elegance with a touch of edginess in her formal wear sets her apart as a fashion icon. In addition to formal events, Sonali's fashion choices also extend to her off-duty style. She is often seen sporting effortlessly chic and relaxed outfits for her day-to-day activities. She embraces comfortable yet stylish pieces like flowy maxi dresses, denim jeans paired with fashionable tops, and bohemian-inspired outfits that showcase her free-spirited personality. Sonali's fashion choices are not limited to a specific style or trend. She embraces versatility and explores different aesthetics, allowing her to adapt to various occasions and express her individuality. From classic elegance to contemporary edge, Sonali's fashion choices showcase her ability to create captivating looks that reflect her personal style and the latest trends. That brings us to the end of this journey through Sonali Raut's fashion choices. We hope you enjoyed exploring her style as much as we did. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.